Welcome back, viewers. Today we're diving into the world of natural remedies and exploring the effects of using castor oil for an entire month. Castor oil has been touted for its numerous health and beauty benefits, but what exactly happens to your body when you use it consistently for 30 days? Let's find out. Internal effects. Internally, castor oil is renowned for its potent laxative properties. Using it regularly over the span of a month can positively impact your digestive system in several ways. Digestive system. Castor oil acts as a gentle yet effective laxative, aiding in relieving constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. However, it's crucial to use it judiciously to avoid dependency and dehydration. Detoxification. Some enthusiasts believe that regular consumption of castor oil can support the body's detoxification process by facilitating the elimination of toxins through the digestive tract. While scientific evidence is limited, many people report feeling lighter and more energized after incorporating castor oil into their wellness routines. External effects. Externally, castor oil offers a myriad of benefits for the skin and hair, making it a popular addition to beauty regimens worldwide. Skin. When applied topically, castor oil acts as a natural moisturizer, deeply nourishing the skin and improving its overall texture. Over the course of 30 days, you may notice smoother, more supple skin, particularly in areas prone to dryness. Hair. Castor oil is hailed as a hair care hero, renowned for its ability to promote hair growth and thickness. Massaging it into the scalp and hair follicles can enhance circulation and stimulate hair growth, resulting in stronger, shinier locks over time. While castor oil offers a plethora of benefits, it's essential to use it responsibly and be mindful of potential risks. Dehydration. Overuse of castor oil as a laxative can lead to dehydration due to excessive fluid loss through diarrhea. It's crucial to stay hydrated and use castor oil sparingly to avoid adverse effects. Skin irritation. Some individuals may experience skin irritation or allergic reactions when using castor oil topically, especially if applied in high concentrations or on sensitive areas of the skin. Nutritional deficiencies. Prolonged use of castor oil as a laxative may interfere with the absorption of nutrients in the digestive tract, potentially leading to nutritional deficiencies over time. Closing thoughts. In conclusion, using castor oil for 30 days can yield a plethora of benefits for your body, both internally and externally. However, it's essential to use it in moderation and be mindful of potential risks. As always, consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating any new supplement or remedy into your routine. Stay informed, stay healthy, and until next time, take care. Follow Fauzia on YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram.